How to fix this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. So if you want to fix the copy of Microsoft Office is not activated on your Windows, then here are some steps. So what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the start icon and then select app and features or installed apps. Or you can go with the Windows 10 option or 11, it's the same thing. So what you need to do is, according to the Microsoft, you just need to simply right click on your start and then go with installed apps. Once you go with the installed apps, you need to search for Microsoft Office and then go with the right side which has that three dots and go with modify. Click on yes, and once you click on yes, you just need to click on online repair and then go with repair. You'll get this kind of interface. Simply go with repair, and in the change your installation window, select repair and then click on continue, and it will start the repairing. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the repair. In this way, you will be able to fix this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.